First up, we're going to be doing one that I have done a million times. This is like such a great fall combination or a summer combination. I love these two colors together. They're so, so pretty. This is kind of what it looks like right now. For those of you who are wondering what color this is, it's Grateful B353, and then we're going to be using Clockwork B481, and look at how pretty that is. So this is already pretty. What happens when we pair this with it? Matching colors with special effects toppers. Obviously these are warm tone colors, but this color in particular, it has a red orangey tinge to it. This is a lot more subtle. And now I'm going to show you some really, really fun bright nails. For those of you, tell me in the comments, when you mix blue and orange, what color does it make? Yes, this is great for sunsets. This is great for all kinds of things. Even like geometric line designs, this would look really cute. And again, this collection is a staple. This is a go-to. These three are my must-haves for like transforming your bases and doing something really fun. Sandbar, fish scale, and seaweed. And you'll be able to do so many cool effects with them. Whenever you're working with special effects colors, it's not the color that you see in the bottle, it's the highlight. Whatever the reflection is the color that you're gonna get over your nail. So now we're gonna do this over black. This is the perfect oil slick nail over our straight up black base. That looks great. So you can see the green, you can see the red, you can see the gold. You can actually see the different colors even though they're transparent. So I stamped that same mixture over the frozen base. I love this because it is very mother of pearl vibes. So yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed it.